Okay, so you guys wait.
I just found these little greens gummies. Look at them, tiny bears. They're packed with spirulina, chlorella, prebiotics, all the good stuff. And I'm gonna try one.
Okay, just use this. It's the new 6D floating 6-blade shaver. That self-shaving function? Definitely recommend it.
This Kardash Cam, dual lens, just plugged it in, night vision, and wide angle on both lenses. Really clear, even inside, super handy.
All right, I've been waiting for this. The fleece half zip just came in. Feels crazy soft already.
He gets separation anxiety. It breaks my heart.
He finally found his happy place.
I'm literally booking my escape right now. Stop paying full price, go find your next adventure.
I literally just, oh my god, you guys, this pocket flush is insane. I just put it on, like, it melts so smoothly onto cheeks and lips.
Reveal. Feel the leather. Hear the precision. Everything in its place. And when it's time, let the world fade away. Reimagined.